안녕하세요. Hello, this is your Korean 쌤, 진아. Today's expression is 코가 빠지다. Repeat after me. 코가 빠지다. So, 빠지다 means to come out or to drop out of something. So, 코가 빠지다. Your nose is dropped out of face? 뭐예요? Look here. Yes, he is very sad. He is very frustrated because look at the stock market. It's dropped. It drastically dropped, right? So he might feel really depressed and frustrated and no energy. He wants to go home and just sleep. 맞아요? So, it means to lose one's energy. You don't have any strength in your body. So, it is used when a person feels anxious and not vigorous. He is so anxious and concerned and doesn't have any strength and energy inside. So, you can say 코가 빠지다. But do you remember 앞날이 캄캄하다? 눈앞이 캄캄하다 before? So 눈앞이 캄캄하다 also can say 눈앞이 캄캄하다 when you feel frustrated and overwhelmed. But it's a bit different. 눈앞이 캄캄하다 is more focused on the situation that is really hard and complicated to solve. But 코가 빠지다 is you used all of your energy and you have no strength at all and just like you're not physically and mentally active. 힘이 없어요. Is 코가 빠지다. To lose your energy. So a bit different. So let's look at the examples. A. 현우 씨, 오늘 왜 이렇게 기운이 없어요? Why do you have long face today? No strength, long face. B. 현우 says, 오늘 판매 실적이 나왔는데 we had sales performance review today. 너무 안 좋게 나왔어요. It was terrible. 너무 안 좋아요. A. 그래서 그렇게 코가 빠졌군요. That's why you lost energy. You look really no strength. You don't have strength. 네, 정말 힘이 없네요. Yes, it is really depressing. 네, 이렇게 써요. Let's check how much you understand. Number 1. In which situation below would 코가 빠지다 be most suitable? In which situation? Number 1. 어떤 일에 성공했을 때. 성공. succeed 했어요. 그러면 코가 빠져요? 코가 빠져요? 아니요. 좋아요. 힘이 많아요. You have much energy. 2번. 맛있는 음식을 먹을 때 when you eat delicious food, you lose energy? 아니요. Number 3. 어떤 일에 실패했을 때 실패, the opposite word of 성공. So, you failed something and you feel you lose energy. 맞아요. So, it's number 3. And number 4. 너무 많이 웃었을 때. 웃어요. You laugh a lot. Then you lose energy? No, you gain energy. So, it's not the answer. Number 2. Let's complete the sentence with 코가 빠지다. 친구가 면접에서 떨어져서 my friend had an interview and it went bad. So the friend feels really frustrated and lost energy. 뭐예요? 코가 빠졌어요. 친구가 면접에서 떨어져서 코가 빠졌어요. 힘이 없어요. Okay, this is all for today, and I hope you all understand well. Okay, 다음 시간에 만나요.